Hello everyone, are you ready to solve today's puzzle? It's an interesting puzzle in which we need to count how many triangles are there in this figure. So interestingly, you see that this is a shape in which we see a star. You just observe this. When we join AC, CE, then E to B, and BD and DA. So you see this star is formed, and when a star shape is formed by joining 5 lines, we see that a pentagon is there in the interior, that is FGHIJ. So such a shape is called pentacle. So it's a star shape in which a pentagon is there. Now you see that this shape which is given to us is a pentacle inscribed in a pentagon. So this is pentacle inscribed in a pentagon. So you see there is a pentagon ABCDE in which this star shape is inscribed, and this star shape is called a pentagon. And we see that all the 5 lines which is making the star, they are also making a 5-sided figure in the interior, which is a pentagon. So now we need to count how many triangles are there in this interesting shape. I hope you are trying. Okay, let us see how we count the triangles. So first we try to observe the triangles in which AB, that is the side of the outer pentagon, is the base. So we see that we can get triangle ABC, and we get ABD, then ABE. Basically we are checking with the vertices. So we found that ABF is there, ABG is there, and ABJ is also there. So there are 6 such triangles. Now we try to see with the base BC. So this is BCD, BCE, then BCF, BCG, and BCH. So we see there are 5 such triangles. Now let us see with the base CD. So we see CDA, CDE, CDG, then CDH, and CDI. So it's easy because we have named the vertices in order of the alphabet series, so we can simply keep a check. Now starting with the side DE, let us observe. We see DEA, then DEB, we have DEH, then DEI, and DEJ. So again we see 5 such triangles. Now begin with the side EA. So with side EA we see EAC, EAF, then EAI, and EAJ. So interestingly there are 4 triangles. Okay, now we see triangles with sides as the base of the interior pentagon, right? So we see that if JF is the base, so we found JFA. This is one triangle. Then FGB is second, then HGC is third, and IHD is fourth, and JIE is the fifth triangle, right? So there are 5 more triangles. Let me write down. This is JFA, FGB, HGC, then IHD, and JIE. So these are 5 triangles. And finally, we will try to see if we get more triangles with sides. Let us see. This is with the base AC. Okay, and one of the vertex we will be choosing from the pentagon which is there in the interior. Okay, so this is possible ACI. Let us write it down. So we write ACI, and we see ADG, then BEH, then BDG, sorry, this is BDJ, and CEF. I hope you are observing. So we get 5 more triangles. So we can easily count. I think all have been covered now. So we have 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 plus this is 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 5, 35. So I'm getting the answer as 35 triangles. And if you get any other way of counting the number of triangles, please do share. So my answer is 35 triangles are there in this interesting shape.